Your brain's reacting right now, and all I did was change the color. That's because color isn't decoration, it's manipulation. Let's talk about how creators use color to make you feel. Hi, I'm Witchy Souls. Today, we're diving into the science behind color and how choosing the right palette can completely transform your brand. Up to 90% of first impressions online are color-based. Color hits the emotional part of your brain before you even think. Red spikes your heart rate, it signals energy or urgency. Blue slows your breathing, it tells your brain it's safe to stay. Yellow, it sparks optimism, but it also invites chaos. Your brain processes color fast in text, shape, or even faces. That means when someone scrolls Twitch or YouTube, your thumbnail's color decides whether they click. Not your title, not your voice, not even you. The brain has already made the choice before they realize it. Brands spend millions to find their color, and now let's help you find yours. Red grabs attention faster than any other color. Study shows it increases heart rate and adrenaline, the same response we have to excitement or danger. That's why live buttons, alerts, and notifications are almost always red. Your brain literally can't ignore it. Blue has the opposite effect. It slows breathing, lowers stress, and builds trust, which is why banks, tech brands, and even Twitch lean on a blue. For streamers, blue lighting or overlays create a calm, professional vibe that keeps viewers comfortable. Yellow fires up the brain's dopamine center. It's linked to curiosity and optimism, but it can cause visual fatigue if it's too strong. Use it for highlights, alerts, or text accents to draw attention without overwhelming. Green sits in the middle, the most balanced color. It's linked to growth, balance, and success, which is why it's common in progress bars or health indicators. It tells your audience things are stable. Purple mixes the calm of blue and the energy of red together. It's the color of imagination. It's used by artists, fantasy games, and creators who want to feel original. Creators who use consistent colors become recognizable. It's why you can spot someone's thumbnail before reading their name. Your palette tells a story before you say a single word. Every color tells your audience what to feel before you even speak. So how do you use all this? Color psychology only works when it's applied intentionally, not just because it looks cool. Keep it simple. 2 main colors and 1 neutral accent color. Your audience's brain prefers clean palettes. Too many hues can cause visual fatigue and be very overwhelming. Use contrast to steer focus. Bright colors against a dark background highlight alerts and chat boxes. Low contrast feels calm. High contrast grabs views. Match your colors to your content. Warm tones fit high energy or horror streams. Cool tones suit cozy or story-driven content. Use the same hues everywhere. Your banners, thumbnails, and alerts. Consistent color builds recognition. Viewers remember the feelings before the logo. Every creator has an emotional palette. The colors you choose to tell your viewers what kind of experience to expect before you even speak. That's because the brain links color and context automatically. Red heavy scenes raise adrenaline, perfect for horror or high-stakes games. Soft greens and neutrals lower heart rate, ideal for cozy or creative streams. Bright neons increase focus and energy. That's why esports brands love them. And balanced hues like teal and gold keep attention without stress. Perfect for storytelling. My own colors, deep navy, ocean teal, and gold, were chosen for more than looks. They represent how I want people to feel when they're here. Navy brings focus and stability. It's the calm beneath the waves. Teal connects the calm to the creativity, building trust and flow between me and my community. And gold adds warmth and belonging. It's like the ocean. Even in the middle of the chaos, there's still warmth, safety, and laughter waiting on another shore. It may look dark and mysterious, but it's built to help others feel seen, supported, and just a little bit braver. Color isn't just pretty, it's power. When you learn how to control it, you're not just designing your brand, you're designing how people feel. Every shade you choose tells a story, one that reaches people before your words ever can.